Hi everyone and welcome to Sheetgo's YouTube channel. In today's video I'll show you how to use a project management workflow template for Excel. It's ideal for project managers, event organizers and team leaders, or anyone looking for a simple way to plan and monitor tasks and automate project management in their company. Unlike a standard spreadsheet template, the Sheetgo workflow template consists of separate but connected Excel files, and data flows between them via Sheetgo connections. These connections let you automate data transfer between different files, so that means that you can create your own project management system without any specialist project management or GANTT software, just spreadsheets. A spreadsheet-based system is really scalable. If you use spreadsheets to manage other parts of your business, such as budgeting and finance, you can connect those files to your project management workflow and create an integrated system across your entire company. When you have a lot of people working in the same spreadsheet, it can become very large and slow, and there's a higher chance of making mistakes. A workflow with separate files is lighter to process, and it also gives you more accurate data and better data privacy, since each colleague works in their own spreadsheet. Now, how does it work exactly? The Sheetgo Project Management Excel template contains 4 Excel files. There are 3 spreadsheets named Stephanie, Emmanuel and Joe, and these are the personal spreadsheets for the team members working on the project. Here they can see which tasks they need to do and log their process as they complete them. Data then flows from these spreadsheets into the project manager's master sheet. Here the manager gets an up-to-date overview of how each team member is progressing in the GANTT chart dashboard. Whenever the manager has new tasks for one of their colleagues, they just add it to the project management master sheet and the information is sent to the allocated team member automatically. Now let us set up the system. To install the template, simply click the link that I'll put in the video description below. It will take you to this screen in the Sheetgo web application where you can sign in either with your Google, Dropbox or Microsoft account. Let me sign in with Microsoft. And here we go. Here we can install the project management workflow either on Google Drive for Google Sheets, or we can install the Excel version also on Google Drive, OneDrive, SharePoint or Dropbox. Let me install it on SharePoint. There we go. We're now in the template overview section of the workflow, and here you can see with whom you've shared the workflow and also open your sharing settings to invite some colleagues. See how many files there are in this workflow, and we see there are 4, so there are 4 different spreadsheets as mentioned before. 3 team member spreadsheets as sample data and our master sheet of course. And here we have our automatic updates, which is now not scheduled, but here you can also schedule them to run once a week, once a day, for example. When you go to the workflow overview, you'll see the connections between the files. And here in the list form, you see the 4 connections. We have the report from collaborators connection. This is where the task's progress is being sent from all team members into your master sheet. And then you have a WBS connection per person. So we see those separate connections here at the bottom. Emmanuel receives his tasks, Joe as well, and Stephanie as well. Only theirs. Let me show you the master sheet first. There we go, the file opens in a new tab in your browser, but I wanted to remind you can always work in the desktop app as well with these files. Just make sure they're automatically synced to one of your cloud storages, and you'll see the changes that you make in your desktop app online automatically as well. So let me show you how it works. We have some instructions here in the first tab where you can put your start date, how you want to view the Gantt chart, and on which day your weekday starts. Then we start with the WBS, of course. And here's where you'll fill out the projects and their tasks to your designated task owners. So remove the sample data from your white cells because the gray cells are automatically calculated. Remove them here and fill out your own per team member right here. Once these tasks have been sent out to your team members, they fill out their progress in their individual sheets. I'll show you later. You get the data back into your Gantt chart, as we see right here. And then you have a quick and visual overview of the tasks that are behind, the tasks that are finished, and if there are, for example, some tasks ahead. This is how the template looks like. Let me just show you one of the collaborator spreadsheets to see how they should fill out their progress. Let me open Joe's spreadsheet. There we go. And of course you start by sharing this spreadsheet via the green button right here to the correct owner. And you change the name of the spreadsheet, of course, to your team member's name. They also have an instructions tab right here, but the only thing they need to do in their spreadsheets is fill out the status, so how far they've come with their tasks. If they keep this updated every week, for example, then you can set your workflow to schedule automatic updates once a week. Let me show you how. Once you've shared these spreadsheets with your team members and they have filled out their task progress, after you've sent them, of course, the task they need to perform, you click here to run the workflow once. So this means it will update all the connections and you will get the data from your team members into your master sheet and Gantt chart. If you do not want to do this manually every time you need to see your information, you click on automate, and here you can schedule automatic updates, for example, once a day and only on Monday, between 8 and 9 a.m. in the morning, for example. That's it. If you want to connect other files to this workflow, you do that right here. And remember to share the workflow with other team members, other project managers if needed. That's it. That's how you use Sheetgo's project management workflow for Excel. If you have any questions about this, please do not hesitate to contact us or comment below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Sheetgo's YouTube channel for more step-by-step tutorials. Thank you very much.